Wala, nandiyan si Papa.
Open?
Yes,
Wala, dyan na si ano.
Wala, tatakbo ako.
No remix.
Desmond has his girl in the marketplace. Molly is a singer in a band. Desmond says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly says this as she takes him by the hand. Over D, over top, life goes on. Red, la la, the life goes on. Over D, over top, life goes on. Red, la la, the life goes on. Desmond takes a drive.
Wala, nandiyan si Papa.
Open?
yes,
Wala, dyan na si ano.
Wala, tatakbo ako.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Binigay mo chocolate? At syempre, meron din kayong teddy bear para yakap-yakap. Siyempre! Relaxing! May balloons pa kayo! Siyempre! Ano siyempre? Meron din kayong cake! Ayan! Hindi na mahawakan. I see! Hawakan mo yung cake ni Mami, ganyan,
Sak, hawakan mo yung teddy bear.
Ayan, so, Mama, usod kayo dito sa gitna. Pipicturean ko kayo, okay? Oh, wait, sandali lang.
Pushing me and guiding me, always to succeed. You showed me when I was young just how to grow. You showed me everything that I should know. You showed me just how to walk without your hands. 'Cause Mom, you always were the perfect friend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yan!
Happy birthday.
Many years of grace, and it flatters me when I see a smile on your face. I wanna thank you for what you've done, in hopes I can give back to you and be the perfect son. You showed me when I was young just how to grow. You showed me everything that I should know. You showed me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Tingnan mo ni Mama dito.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Zach, dito ko na
Energy!
Wish! Happy birthday, Mother! Meron tayo inahandang letter si Ma'am Shell. Ayan. So, maaari ba nating basahin? Isa. Asan yung kanyang kapatid? Babae o lalaki?
Lalaki!
O, sige. Ito po, babasahin ni ate o ni kuya?
Kuya! Kuya na lang! Kuya!
Kuya!
Hindi pa ako nag-aaral.
Kuya! Basahin niyo po ang letter ni Ma'am Shell para sa inyong mother, okay? Dito kaya kuya, sa tabi niya.
Haba.
Hindi pa kasi nag-aaral yan eh.
Hindi pa ako tapos ng...
Saan kayo kayo? Dito kayo sa mother.
Oma, wag kang iiyak ha. Oma, pakinggan mo. Letter from, hindi ko alam. Happy birthday, Ma. I hope I made you happy today with my little surprise. Just like what I have promised last year, na babawi ako sa'yo, ito na yon. First, I would like to say thank you for all the sacrifices, efforts, prayers, for supporting me all throughout, and most of all, sa pag-aalaga mo kay Zach. Alayak na si Mama! I may not be there, but I am at peace knowing that Zach is in good hands. I also wanted to thank you for keeping the family together and for always reminding me and my siblings to understand and love each other. Hala kayo! Life may not be perfect, but you have successfully fulfilled your role as a mother. You have raised us to be responsible, independent, brave, kind, showed us the importance of family, and most importantly, to be God-fearing. Oh my God, di ko naintindihan English, joke! Ayun, you have taught us God values, good values, and to keep us our feet on the ground. Kahit saan kami makarating. And I may not always say this, but I do admire your strength despite of all the life challenges that you have faced. All your sacrifices are worth it dahil kahit paano, your Fantastic Four are successful. I know that you are proud sa mga achievements namin, but congratulate yourself as well for a good job. Well done! Yes! I wish and I pray that God may continue to bless you with good health para makasama at matagal ka pa naming sa madaming galaan. May all your wishes be granted. Just enjoy your life and please stop stressing yourself to small things. Me and my siblings will always be here to support, spoil, and look after you. Kaya no need to worry. Dahil 16 years old ka na, baliktad! Please take care of yourself. No more extra rice. Bawasan ng kape. Eat healthy foods, exercise, but ultimately, matulog ka ng maaga. Happy birthday! I wish you a lot and I love you, Ma'am. P.S. Tanim mo yung bouquet, baka sakaling mamulaklak ng pera.
So, meron pang message mo ate kay mother. Siyempre, iba rin kay ate Shell.
Ganon.
Okay, message!
Message lang.
Lapit kayo mother. Magkalapit kayo.
Happy birthday, Ma! And yun, sana mas marami pang birthdays na magkakasama tayo. I love you!
Yan!
Oh, next! Next
kuya.
naman!
Yan.
Haba naman, napagod.
Happy birthday! Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Ah.
Be happy always. Yun lang.
Ayan. At,
Meron pa!
Meron pa!
Yun!
Ay, meron ba? Kasali pala ako. Kasali pala ako. Ano ba yan?
Dito kayo. Kailangan mo bigyan ng mensahe si mother.
Oh, sa mama namin, happy birthday kasi ngayon lang ulit kami nandito. Kulang pa rin. Happy birthday. Ano lang tayo, relax lang.
Kalma.
Kalma lang. Thank you.
Yan. Oh, ang kanyang mga manugang. Mga kuya at ate.
Galit yung mga yan eh.
Ano? Hindi pwedeng wala. Halika kuya.
Okay, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat. More birthdays to come and good health.
Okay,
Thank you.
Ayan. Oh, may isa pa dyan. Nakikita ko. Kuya. Halika kuya. Next, nasan yung dalawang girl?
Andito yung isa. Yung isa nagpupulbo.
Hey, Mama, happy birthday. Lagi nilang sinasabi, dapat happy lang. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday.
Nakakapagod yun ah.
Asan yung isang ate? Sabi mo na.
Buhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Matulog na
Buhay ka. Matulog ka naman ng maaga. Happy birthday, ma. Matagal-tagal pa yung sama natin. I love you.
Ay, ayan siya. Ah, meron pa. Si ate. Anong message sa iyo, mana?
Bakit kayo nag-iiyakan? Walang iyakan ha.
Happy birthday, ma. Salamat. Kasi
Yung walang ibibigay na
hindi dahil sa'yo, wala akong G-boy. Thank you. I love you.
Ayan. Oh, meron. Ayan.
Bigay ng gift.
Yung magbibigay ng gift. Yung magbibigay ng gift na. Ilagay mo dito. Oh, message yan, te.
Meron na pamangkin ko.
Mga pamangkin. Ante, pamangkin, ang message nyo sa inyo. Sina? Dito kayo, te. Dito kayo. Diyan kayo. Yan, isang set yan, ha? Isang set ng family.
Wala naman na yung...
Kulang pa nga eh.
Message nyo po kay Mother. At
Kala ko Auntie, happy birthday. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo pa at gusto mo pa in the future. And sana magkaroon ka ng good health. Ayun.
Hindi ka naghahanda ah.
Magdas pa tayo.
Sabi mo, magkaroon ka ng baby.
Akala ko naman ka na. Ay, di ka man.
Ayan.
Yan. Wait lang maglalabas muna ako ng balikat.
Happy birthday, Manang!
So, ano po ang masasabi niyo, Ma'am Rose, sa inyong anak na si Ma'am Shell at si Ma'am Jen na nagbigay ng surprise sa inyo at lahat na nandito, yung mga anak.
Hindi na ako makapag-message ng maganda. Pero, anak, you're the best. Ingat ka dyan, palagi.
Isang saan ito ni Mother. Ayan.
Surprise talaga ako eh.
So, okay na po yun, Mother?
Okay, okay na.
Okay. In behalf of Edmonton's Flower Shop and Parkiness, thank you, Ma'am Shell and Ma'am Jen. Si Ma'am Shell all the way from UK! Ayan. Si Ma'am Shell, i-video mo.
Padala.
Ayan. Video. Thank you po sa lahat ng tiwala at suporta. Thank you, Mother. Happy 16th birthday. Happy 16. Oh, 16 ka na. Hindi nalitad, okay? So,
Sweet 16.
matulog daw ng maaga. Maaga na, right? Okay. Iwas-iwas sa mga kapi-kapi. Charos. Ayan, so, ingat lagi. More birthdays to come and long live. Okay? Bye!
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
Hello, ma. Happy birthday.
I wish you good health and thank you for all the efforts and sacrifices. Love you!
Thank you,